Hey there, food lovers. It's May here, cooking for you all. Are you ready to make something super yummy? Today we're going to make cheesy beef salpicao. It's a fun dish with tender beef and a cheesy surprise. Get ready for a party in your mouth. This recipe is perfect for young chefs like you. It's easy to follow and totally delicious. Let's get started. Before we start cooking, let's gather everything we need. This is an essential step to ensure a smooth and enjoyable cooking experience. Think of it as setting the stage for a culinary adventure. It's like getting ready for a fun adventure. When you have all your ingredients prepped and ready, it makes the cooking process so much more enjoyable and efficient. Let's start with the beef sirloin, cut into cubes. 1 pound. Make sure the cubes are evenly sized for consistent cooking. Next, we have garlic minced 4 cloves. Freshly minced garlic adds a wonderful aroma and flavor to our dish. Onion chopped 1 medium. Onions provide a sweet and savory base to our recipe. Mushrooms sliced 1 cup. Butter 2 tablespoons. The mushrooms add a rich, earthy flavor and the butter helps to enhance it. Soy sauce 1/4 cup. This will add a salty, umami depth to our dish. Worcestershire sauce 2 tablespoons. Cornstarch 1 tablespoon. Water 1/4 cup. These ingredients will help to thicken and flavor our sauce. Cheddar cheese, shredded, 1 cup. This will add a creamy, cheesy goodness to our dish. And of course, salt and pepper to taste. These basic seasonings are essential for bringing out the flavors of all the other ingredients. Make sure you have all your ingredients ready and within reach. Double-checking now can save you time and hassle later. Now, let's move on to the fun part. Cooking. With everything prepared, we're ready to create something delicious. Time to put on our chef hats and get cooking. Follow these simple steps, and you'll be on your way to making a delicious meal in no time. Cooking can be fun and easy if you know the right techniques. First, heat the butter in a large pan. Make sure the butter melts completely and starts to sizzle. This will create a rich base for our dish. You want the pan nice and hot. A hot pan ensures that the ingredients cook evenly and develop a beautiful color. Then, add the beef cubes and cook until they turn brown on all sides. This process is called searing, and it helps to lock in all the juices and flavors of the meat. This is called searing, and it locks in all the juicy flavor. Make sure not to overcrowd the pan, as this can cause the meat to steam rather than sear. Next, add the garlic and onion, and cook until they become soft and smell amazing. The aroma of garlic and onion cooking is one of the best smells in the kitchen. Garlic and onion, the best. They form the flavor base for many dishes and add depth to our recipe. Now, add the mushrooms and cook until they're nice and tender. Mushrooms have a wonderful earthy flavor that complements the beef perfectly. Mushrooms add a lovely earthy flavor. Make sure to stir them occasionally so they cook evenly and absorb all the flavors from the pan. And there you have it. Follow these steps, and you'll have a delicious, flavorful dish ready to serve. Happy cooking! Almost there. We're in the final stretch of our culinary journey. We're getting close to the finish line. The kitchen is filled with delightful aromas, and our dish is almost ready to be served. Just a few more steps. First, in a small bowl, mix together the soy sauce, Worcestershire sauce, and a touch of cornstarch. Add some water to the mixture and whisk it all together until it's smooth and well combined. This is our magic sauce that will make everything super tasty. It's the secret ingredient that brings all the flavors together. Next, pour the sauce mixture into the pan with the beef and veggies. Make sure to stir it well so that every piece is coated with this delicious sauce. Let it simmer for a few minutes until the sauce thickens up a bit. This will help the flavors meld together beautifully. Now, the best part, sprinkle the shredded cheese all over the top. Be generous because who doesn't love a cheesy finish? Then cover the pan with a lid and let the cheese melt into a gooey, cheesy dream. This final touch will make our dish irresistible. Time to dig in. Yay, we did it! Your cheesy beef salpicao is ready to be devoured. Serve it hot with steamed rice and get ready for a flavor explosion. Cooking is so much fun, right? Now that you're a cheesy beef salpicao master, Why not share your culinary masterpiece with your friends and family? They'll be super impressed. Please subscribe, like, Sar, and leave a comment down below so I can feel you all. Happy cooking! Jecht, DIY, signing off. See you next time.